Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Tuesday afternoon weather webcast for February 3rd, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Got kind of a mixed bag of weather for you for the next few days. A cool start to our day today. More clouds around for tonight. We've got rain chances on the way that we'll talk about in depth here in a few minutes, and then more cold to deal with as well as we head through the late portions of this week. So let's get right to it. What we have this morning, it was cold. 26 in Troy, 27 Abbeville, 28 Enterprise, 29 Ozark, 30s in Geneva and in Dothan, right at freezing in Blakely. Most spots, even down closer to the coast, got to freezing. The only two that didn't were right there, 34 in Destin and 34 in Donaldsonville, only a couple of degrees shy of the freezing mark. Then the clouds settled in. All these clouds ahead of an approaching area of low pressure that's now developing in the Gulf of Mexico. We've got a few showers down to our south. Those will stay offshore for tonight. Maybe a few showers down the Florida Panhandle, but most of southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia, and everybody north of I-10 should stay dry for tonight. And during tomorrow, that'll be changing, though. You see numbers right now in the upper 40s and low 50s. We're not going to get too much warmer with all this cloud cover. Very persistent low-level and mid-level clouds will be around for tonight and for early tomorrow morning. There you see the futurecast socked in with those clouds. We'll talk about what happens after this on Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening here in a few minutes. Let's talk about temperatures for early tomorrow morning. With all the clouds around, don't expect a whole lot of movement. Low 40s will be it as far as our temperatures go for tomorrow. Afternoon highs will get warm with the inflow of moisture. That will lead to warmer temperatures, most likely in the middle and some upper 50s. So let's talk about rain chances. Over the last couple of days, Futurecast, our Futurecast model, our in-house model, which is a higher resolution model, so it only goes out a couple of days. We weren't able to see what our rain chances would be like for late Wednesday into Thursday. Right now, our Futurecast model, the RPM model given to us by WSI, is not really painting that wet of a picture for southeast Alabama or southwest Georgia. Northwest Florida and the Panhandle sees the lion's share of the rain, with the area of low pressure staying well off the coast and affecting more or less the peninsula of Florida. Then another cold front comes through and gives us colder air to end the work week. Then we have the GFS model, which is a lower resolution model, but this one gives us good rain chances, not the heaviest rain. The heaviest rain still stays offshore and near the coast in northwest Florida, but you see most of southeast Alabama and southwest Georgia have chances for rain, all the way up to Montgomery and then down south to Mobile and in Dothan, something that our local model just isn't picking up on. So we're going to have to go for the next 12 hours or so and check out the trends in these models and tell you about the rain chances. But it looks like, for certain, we'll see some colder air spill in here by Thursday afternoon, and especially Friday morning. Looks like another cold start to our day. So still some uncertainty with the amount of rain we're going to get. I still think we have some decent chances to see some much-needed rainfall around here. We're still below average for the year. It was a very dry January. We started February off on the right foot, about a half an inch of rain over Sunday and Monday, but every little bit counts. And it looks like, I think we'll have some good chances for rain by Wednesday in the afternoon and into the evening time hours, and then some colder air takes hold back once again in the Wiregrass for Thursday and Friday, and the start of our weekend too. We'll talk more about that in the 5-day forecast. We'll have a better idea for you coming up on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. Also, WRGX News at 5:30. Thanks for clicking on the afternoon weather webcast. You can find it at the social media sites below, and you can leave a comment or question for me there. We'll see you back here on Wednesday.